Hi, this is Prophetess Faye, and today is March 10th, 2026, and I've been sharing today what the Lord has been showing me in the Spirit this day. And let me share this next thing that He has shown me. I saw a group of people, they were rushing to do a baptismal service. And there was a knowing, a knowledge that there was a level of water coming at which it would be safe to do the baptismal. But shortly thereafter, flood waters would be coming. And so they were rushing to be able to do the baptismal service at the level of water that was safe. My interpretation of this is that do what you need to do now for the kingdom of God. That baptismal service represented work for the kingdom of God. Do what you need to do now for the kingdom of God. Don't wait. Timing is everything. Timing is everything, because you could quickly go from a level of safety to another level where it's overwhelming, it's daunting, and maybe too late. So do it now. Do it now. And I pray that this word helps even many people, that we must do what we need to do now in the kingdom of God.